Thanks for joining me today. Today I'll be talking about my progress in my garden that I put out this year, my mulch style garden, and some things I did. Hopefully it'll help you with yours. Thank you and enjoy the video. Okay, so I cleaned up this garden quite a bit. As you can see, I got some flowering potatoes, and yeah, it actually doesn't look so bad, all weeded and stuff. And I just keep adding mulch on top. And when I dug down to the very bottom, it's like this much thick, black, very moist, super moist dirt, I guess you could say. But that's that one. Oh, that's this one. And that one was with straw bales, with goat manure and bedding on the bottom. So that manure definitely helped excellently. That's the word, excellently. Okay. And then these ones here behind me. These ones, last time I think it was just like super overgrown with grass and weeds and stuff. I did do a little bit about that. I pulled some weeds, but then also, like I said, I just keep on mulching over top, so the weeds just don't even really get a chance. I'm not a garden expert, but I do my best. There are several potatoes, even this one here. I think I showed you a potato in the last garden that was like a little red one. I did see some potatoes in here, which is excellent. I really didn't expect the potatoes to do anything. I just put them on grass and covered them with grass, and they're growing. Alright, so, hey Opal, you come to say hi? Yeah, hi. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Hi, Opal. Yeah. This is Opal, our sweetheart. Like I mentioned, I had tons of tubers. My husband found another 2 bags of them that were just full of roots and eyes all over them. So, they take like 30 to 60 days, so I'm hoping I still have enough time. Opal, come on. Get out of there. Who's a good girl? Yeah, come on, get out of the camera. So anyways, I have a few that I'll plant, and I'll show you what it's like underneath. It's the end of July, so this has been sitting here for a bit. I just added some new mulch a few days ago, and that's been sitting. We've had a little bit of rain to help pack it down, and so yeah, I'm hoping to get a few more potatoes. Okay, so I already planted, you can see it looks like a bunch of nests there. I already planted a bunch in there. Now I'm going to plant these few here. I'm going to double some up because I'm running out of space. Shouldn't be a problem because I'm not really getting a whole bunch of potatoes this year anyways. And yeah, so I'll get down and dig a little hole and show you what it looks like down underneath all of this that's been sitting here for a couple months now. Okay. All right. So this grass here, that's not grass that's growing. That's mulch that I just added the other day. It's just still green a bit underneath. But way down there, I don't know if you can see, but all the grass that was there is starting to die. And there's a lot of, I'll dig some up. It's kind of just becoming all dirty and gritty. Yep. So then I just take the potatoes. Good. I'm going to put them in there. I'm going to go root down. Take this potato, put it in there. Then I like to kind of grab a bunch and pull it up and over like a blanket. There. And then cover it up. Now it looks like a little nest along with the other little nests I've got there, little potato nests. I'll get the rest of these ones here planted and then wait another few months to hopefully get even just a small harvest of little hash brown type potatoes. Okay, so I got the rest of the potatoes planted, and I'm also probably going to show you what the other one is like, because the other one that I have of straw is the one that I did first. So I'll take you over there and just show you what underneath that looks like. All right, before I'm done for today, I'll show you what this one is kind of like. This one's a bit different, and actually I was super surprised when I came and I planted all these ones. Right? See all the little like nest looking things? I was super surprised to find how dirty it was under there, because it's like that much that much dirt. Okay, so I'll bring you over here. Okay, I'll just dig down here. Oh, see, we're already getting into dirt. Can you get over here? Are you able to? Can you see that from there? Okay, watch. Look at that. Look at this dirt. See that? Look, it's already turning into dirt. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. This was just solid ground under here. Look how much dirt this has made. Okay, and it's deep too. It's way down there. That's about as far as I can go. So all that is composting very well. That back up there. And I'll leave my potatoes alone until I harvest these big guys here. I got some flowers. Those ones are just about ready there, probably.
Is it starting to rain?
Just about. I think I feel it. So the result of this year's harvest is pretty little, but that's okay. I wasn't really expecting to have a whole lot, because I didn't set my straw out at the beginning of the season, like early spring, as soon as the snow melted, or in the fall, to let the snow sit over it. I didn't do that. The result, like I said, was small. However, I did get some pretty big potatoes. So I'm pretty happy about that. Got a bunch of little tiny potatoes for like some stewing or hash browns in the morning. And I got some pretty big ones here too. So I'm not disappointed. There's still potatoes left out there. There's probably still some little ones, but there's some decent sized ones here, so yeah, there were a lot more little tiny ones, but I had just laid my hay and straw right on grass that was probably about this thin, or this short. So we cut the grass really short, added the hay, and so it was like right down on the hard grass. So I'm surprised we even got potatoes this big. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to next year. So yeah, here's my outcome. It feels not quite a bucket, but it was just grass laid on grass. So I'm pretty satisfied with this. Otherwise I would have just had a bunch of tubers in bags with a whole bunch of wiggly roots sticking out everywhere. So I don't really mind that I didn't really get a big yield. That's fine by me. next year hopefully will be better. This one with the grass right down at the very bottom, you can't feel how cool it is, but it's pretty hard dirt still. So this will all be covered back up. I'll fill in all these holes. This one over here, when I dug down deep into it, this is the one where we laid out the goat bedding first from that goat shed. This one, right down underneath all this, very, very black soil, very moist. And I can probably put my finger in about that deep. But I got potato bugs in this side, so I'm gonna burn it. Anyways, I hope this was at least a little bit helpful. I hope I was able to get as much information in there as possible and help someone out. Yeah, so happy gardening.